G'day folks, today we're going to look at the Smatree portable power station for the DJI Spark. Similar to another power bank portable charger that I reviewed recently, but this one has a few differences. So we'll take a look at it. Maybe down the road we'll do a direct comparison of the two. So basically with this one, this is an 8100 milliamp power bank. And yeah, so let's just do a quick unboxing and then we'll take a closer look at it. So right away you see in the box it actually comes with a carrying case. So that's actually really nice. Microfiber cleaning cloth. Bonus. Little instruction book. All the instructions that you need for it. So we have a micro USB charger cable. Not quite sure where that goes yet. So we got a power block. So that just plugs into the unit like that. That goes into the wall, and it's got your USB ports on the bottom for charging up the unit. And we have the power bank itself. So right away you notice there is some weight to this. I'll put the weight of it up on the screen there. I don't have the scale close by, but there's some weight to it. We have a standard USB out there and micro USB in, so you can use that port for charging up your cell phone or the controller, and obviously that one for charging the unit. We are 3/4 full. So basically, the batteries just plug into the power bank, just like so. And allows you to charge while away from home. Now, like I stated, this is a 8100 milliamp power bank. So with that said, you can charge 3 batteries twice, so a total of 6 batteries. And with the additional USB out there, you can also charge up the controller and a smartphone if you're using it as a monitor and it gets low. So in that case, you might be able to recharge your phone once and the controller and 3 batteries. So I'm going to charge this power bank up, and then we will continue this video. We will run some tests. I'll show you how it works, and we'll see how long it takes to charge all 3 batteries. Okay, so we have the unit all charged up now, and according to the user manual, this thing takes 14 hours to charge. So that's quite a while. It's definitely not something you can charge on the fly. You have to plan for it, like an overnight charge when it's right empty. And that seems about right. At the beginning of the video when I checked it, it said that it was between half and 3/4 full, and it took me about 4 to 5 hours to top it up. So yeah, I can see this thing taking a long time to charge right from empty. So now we're just going to run a quick test and we'll see how long it takes to charge 3 batteries. All these batteries are empty. They're sitting at about 15 to 19% each. So we're just going to hook them in, and they just slide in and connect. So we just press the button there, and they'll start charging. One interesting thing I should point out here is that with this particular portable charger, they charge all 3 batteries simultaneously. So that's kind of interesting and a nice feature as well. So we'll just let these sit and charge, and I'll come back and check in, and we'll see how long it takes. It has been 48 minutes, and all 3 batteries are charged. As soon as it was done charging, it just powered off the unit. So that is super fast. And if we look at the charge left, if you can see that there, it's still saying it has 3 bars. So that's over 50%. It'll be between 50% and 75%. So enough to charge 3 more batteries and possibly the remote. Things I like about it: nice fast charging of the batteries. I like that it comes with the case. Now, one thing I don't like about it is the fact that it takes 14 hours to charge up this brick. But that's workable. That's something you can do overnight. You know, if you're going out flying the next day and you want to bring some portable juice with you, just plug this in at night before you go to bed. And when you get up in the morning and you're packing for flying, it's ready to go for you. So yeah, nice little product from Smatree. Smatree. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Smatree. Anyways, nice little product from them. Works very well. Definitely a must if you're a DJI Spark enthusiast like myself. Not bad at all. Good price. I'll include the links down below so you can check the product out further. Well, folks, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you found it informative if you've had your eye on this product, or maybe you didn't know it existed. And, it's always nice to be introduced to new products. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the like button. And we'll see you in the next one.